Number 74. Use the intermediate value theorem to show that the polynomial has a real zero between the given values a and b. Now f of x is 4x to the fifth minus 3x cubed plus 8x squared plus 6, and they tell us a is negative 2 and b is negative 1. So we're going to find f of minus 2. We're going to take negative 2 to the fifth power, negative 2 cubed, negative 2 squared. Alright, negative 2 to the fifth power is going to be negative 32. Negative 2 cubed is going to be minus 8. That's 2 times 2 times 2. That's not 6, that's 8. 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8. And 2 squared is going to be 4. And add the 6. When you multiply this, you're going to get minus 128. Multiply these, you're going to get 24. You're going to get 32. You're going to get 6. Combine these two, you'll end up with negative 104 plus the 32 plus the 6. Combine these two, you're going to get negative 72 plus 6 is negative 66. So that says that f of minus 2 is going to be negative. Now let's find f of minus 1. We're going to have negative 1 to the fifth, negative 1 cubed, negative 1 squared, and then 6. So we got negative 1 to the fifth power is negative 1, negative 1 cubed is negative 1, negative 1 squared is 1. Bring down the 6. We got 4 times minus 1, minus 4. Negative 3 times negative 1, plus 3. 8 times 1 is 8. Bring down the 6. So we end up with negative 1, plus 8, plus 6. Negative 1 and 8 is 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. So we've got f of minus 2 is going to be negative 66, and f of minus 1 is 13. Let's graph this. F of minus 2, we're going 2 to the left, and we're going way down here to 66. Somewhere down there, okay? F of minus 1 is 13. We're going negative 1. We're going all the way up here to 13 somewhere, okay? And what this intermediate value theorem says is if this is negative and this is positive, and I connect those with some kind of a line, guess what? In between those numbers, it's got a cross right here somewhere. That's what the intermediate value is. It says if 13 is positive and 66 is negative, then somewhere between negative 1 and negative 2 it's got to cross this axis. And that's what you call a zero. Okay? There's got to be a zero somewhere in there. Right? Somewhere in there. Alright? Because if you draw a line here and you expect to get up to here and you're down here, then somewhere along there it's going to cross that axis. And you're going to have a zero in here somewhere between negative 1 and negative 2.